Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MIUI version so you know which menu labels to follow. Once done, make sure you've backed up any critical data. This process targets app stats, not personal files, but backups are quick insurance. Next, open Settings, tap Apps, then Manage Apps. This brings you straight to the list you will act on. You're now positioned to locate the data-using app whose usage stats you want to clear, so proceed to the next step without delay. You'll scroll or search to the app that's tracking data usage, because targeting the exact app prevents accidental resets. Once you've opened its info page, tap Storage and Cache or Data Usage. This is where MIUI keeps statistics and cached counters. Then select Clear Data or Reset Statistics to remove the recorded usage numbers. If you don't see those options, check the three-dot menu or enable Show System Apps. Since MIUI, you should immediately reopen the data usage screen to confirm the counters read 0. This verifies success. If numbers remain unchanged, reboot your phone and recheck, because MIUI occasionally needs a restart to apply setting changes. If a reboot doesn't help, clear the app cache or, as a fallback, clear the system cache partition. These steps address lingering UI or indexing issues. Finally, make sure MIUI is updated, since updates often resolve bugs that prevent stats from clearing correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.